Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable full screen mode in Chrome browser. So there is two methods. First one, press function key plus 11 like this and to F11. Like this, and to exit again press function key plus F11. And second method, to enable full screen, click on this three dot. Now here click on this box. So it will enable full screen mode, and if you went to disable full screen mode, so move your cursor so top side, so you will see this closing. Just click on it. That is so friendly. By this is easy and simple method. You can enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome browser. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.